In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore Google Authenticator on your phone. Google Authenticator setup, old phone codes. Let's begin. So once you open up your Google Chrome, you are going to go to the top right and then select your profile icon. Then select the second option which says Manage your Google account. Head over to the left side and choose Security. Look for something which says How you sign into Google and choose two-step verification on the right side. Select the arrow pointing to the right. So under second steps, look for something which says Authenticator. Head over to the right and select the right arrow. Then choose Change Authenticator app. From here, you're going to be asked to open up the Authenticator app, then select the plus icon in the bottom right, and then choose Scan a QR code. Afterwards, you're going to be asked to enter in the 6-digit code that you see in the app. So once you entered in the code, select Verify in the bottom right, and then you'll be able to verify the Google Authenticator on your new phone. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.